What's up, you guys? Hope everyone's having a good midweek. So I just wanted to make a really quick follow-up video to yesterday's upload where I was going over a few meme coins that I think have some extreme potential and already have a lot of speculation going on. But something else that I wanted to cover really quickly was DCAing into these positions. I think I just briefly went over it when I covered my entry on the baked token. I kind of just DCA'd in on the major dips. And on certain tokens that I have a higher conviction in, I'll even DCA in when it's looking green too. But that's if I see long-term or even short to medium-term potential as well. Basically, your strategy is going to depend on your conviction level, right? So I just pulled up one of my Bullocks accounts to show you guys how I'm laddering into some positions. I went over baked yesterday, even though it wasn't necessarily part of the criteria of tokens I was trying to cover. Tucker also would have made it into the list too if it didn't pump like crazy over the last few days or I think week or two. We go back to a 4-hour chart on Tucker. We can see it really bottomed out over this 2-ish month period over here, right? This was one of those higher conviction plays for me where I was just kind of collecting in on these dips over here. I mostly started accumulating on this little downturn over here. I accumulated a little on this dip, a little more around here, a little more around here, and around here, and around here too, after its first leg up. And you know what, looking at it right now, even though I didn't include it in yesterday's video, it's probably around the exact same market cap that Baked is at right now. I think Baked is chilling at around a 15 to 18-ish million dollar market cap. Tucker is too. And Tucker already hit above $100 million market cap already. So this is another one of those coins that I think is really going to fly. But basically, when you're trying to DCA into coins like this, you'll set your trend lines, you'll have your Fibonacci's drawn out and all that stuff, right? Set your buy limits on Bullocks. So I can just go and set a buy limit if it dips below 10 million per se, I'm going to go and DCA in 0.1 Solana or 0.5 Solana, anything, right? And I can just go ahead and set a buy order down there and say it dips even more, right? I can set another buy order right down there for maybe a 0.2 or maybe a 0.5 above or below your previous buy order, depending on whatever strategy you're using, right? I just wanted to cover this method really quickly because sometimes we do get these wicks. These are the best buying opportunities sometimes. Because every now and then, a token will just kind of just go down and do a final wick for liquidity before shooting back up, right? And I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be in front of my computer 24/7 to watch price action and get the perfect entry in, right? So the point of this video is basically just to get the point across on developing a plan, a strategy, and setting your buy limits. We're not really going to go over sell limits or anything like that. This is literally just about DCAing into medium-ish to longer term potential high conviction bets. So do a little bit of TA, set your buy orders on Bullocks. I know they've got their airdrops coming out really soon, so the faster you can get on there and just farm some Bullocks tokens, all you got to do is trade on there, right? So it uses your gas fees as a token purchase kind of thing. And yeah, guys, hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next one. Peace.